This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of information on YouTube. Please support our channel. This video is part 2 of EGR valve replacement. We'll dive deeper. Whether you're troubleshooting a persistent check engine light or simply verifying your replacement, this guide will help you diagnose EGR system issues like a pro. Let's jump right into it. This is where diagnostic tools and scanners come in handy. Here's how to use them effectively. OBD2 scanner. Plug an OBD2 scanner into your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard. Retrieve error codes. Turn on the ignition and follow the scanner's instructions to retrieve any error codes. Common codes related to EGR valve issues include P0401, insufficient flow, P0402, excessive flow, and P0403, circuit malfunction. Interpret the codes. Refer to your vehicle's manual or online resources to understand what these codes signify. These codes will point you in the direction of the problem. Live data analysis. Some advanced OBD2 scanners can provide live data. Check the EGR valve's performance metrics while the engine is running. This can help you see if the valve is opening and closing as it should. Specialized tools. In some cases, you might need specialized tools designed for EGR systems. These tools can provide more precise diagnostics and help you identify issues that general scanners might miss. By combining a thorough visual inspection with the use of diagnostic tools, you can accurately diagnose EGR valve problems. This makes it easier to decide whether a replacement or more complex repair is needed. Steps to replace an EGR valve. Replacing an EGR valve might sound daunting, but with the right steps and precautions, you can do it yourself. Below are some detailed instructions to help you through the process. Preparation. Before starting the replacement process, it's crucial to get everything ready to ensure a smooth experience. Here's what you need to do. Disconnect the battery. Safety first. Disconnect your car battery to avoid any electrical shocks or accidents. Cool down the engine. Make sure the engine is cool to the touch. Working on a hot engine can be dangerous and might cause burns. Gather tools. You'll need a set of wrenches, screwdrivers, and possibly a ratchet and socket set. Also, keep some gloves and safety glasses handy. Consult the manual. Have your vehicle's manual nearby. It will help you locate the EGR valve and guide you through any model-specific steps. Removing the old EGR valve. Once you're prepped, it's time to remove the old EGR valve. Follow these steps. Locate the EGR valve. Find the EGR valve on or near the intake manifold. If you're unsure, refer to your vehicle's manual. Disconnect hoses and electrical connections. Carefully remove any hoses or electrical connectors attached to the valve. Label them if it helps remember where they go. Remove mounting bolts. Use a wrench or ratchet to unscrew the bolts holding the EGR valve in place. Keep these bolts safe, as you'll need them for the new valve. Take out the old valve. Gently wiggle the valve free from its position. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. Installing the new EGR valve. Now that the old valve is out, it's time to install the new one. Here's how. Prep the new valve. Ensure the new EGR valve matches the old one. It should come with a gasket. If not, get one separately. Position the new valve. Place the new valve where the old one was. Make sure it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Secure the valve. Use the bolts you removed earlier to secure the new valve. Tighten them appropriately but avoid over-tightening. Reconnect hoses and electrical connections. Reattach any hoses and electrical connectors you removed. Ensure they're all secure and in their rightful places. Post-installation checks. After installing the new EGR valve, it's essential to perform some checks to ensure everything is working correctly. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect your car battery to power up the system. Start the engine. Turn on your vehicle and let it idle. Listen and watch for any unusual noises or behaviors. Check for leaks. Inspect the area around the new EGR valve for any leaks from hoses or connections. Run a diagnostic scan. If you have a scanner, run a quick diagnostic check to ensure no error codes are present. Test drive. Finally, take your car for a short drive. Pay attention to how it runs, especially during idling and acceleration. By following these steps, you can confidently replace your EGR valve and ensure your car runs smoothly. This DIY project can save you money and give you the satisfaction of maintaining your vehicle yourself. Preventative maintenance tips. Maintaining your EGR valve can save you from costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. Here are some essential tips to help you prolong the life of your EGR valve. Regular cleaning. One of the most effective ways to keep your EGR valve in good shape is through regular cleaning. Over time, carbon deposits can build up, leading to clogging and malfunction. Here's why it's important and how to do it. Prevents clogging. Frequent cleaning removes soot and carbon, preventing blockages that can lead to malfunction. Improves performance. Clean components ensure that your vehicle runs efficiently, enhancing overall engine performance. Reduces emissions. A clean EGR valve helps in reducing harmful emissions, making your car more eco-friendly. To clean the EGR valve. Remove the valve. Follow the steps in the Removing the old EGR valve section. Use a cleaner. Apply a specialized EGR valve cleaner or a carbon cleaner to remove deposits. Scrub gently. Use a soft brush or cloth to scrub away stubborn deposits. Reinstall. Once clean, reinstall the valve and check for proper function. Making valve cleaning a part of your regular maintenance routine can save both time and money. Using quality fuel. The type of fuel you use can significantly impact your EGR valve's health. Higher quality fuel can reduce carbon buildup and extend the life of the valve. Here's how. Minimizes deposits. High quality fuels contain additives that help keep the engine clean and reduce carbon deposits. Enhances efficiency. Better fuel quality means more efficient combustion, which lightens the load on your EGR valve. Prolongs valve life. Less buildup translates to a longer-lasting EGR valve, reducing the need for frequent replacements. When fueling up, opt for well-known brands that offer high-octane fuels with cleaning additives. It's a small investment for long-term benefits. Routine vehicle maintenance. Routine maintenance is key to keeping various car components, including the EGR valve, in top condition. Here's why regular checkups are crucial. Oil changes. Fresh oil helps keep the engine clean, reducing the chance of carbon deposits clogging the EGR valve. Air filter replacements. A clean air filter ensures that only clean air enters the engine, minimizing the risk of dirt and debris affecting the EGR system. Regular inspections. Routine checkups by a professional can catch potential issues before they become serious problems. Here are some steps for maintaining overall vehicle health. Follow a maintenance schedule. Stick to the service intervals recommended in your vehicle's manual. Check fluids regularly. Ensure that all engine fluids are at the appropriate levels. Inspect for wear and tear. Regularly check hoses, belts, and other components for signs of wear. Staying on top of your vehicle's maintenance helps ensure that the EGR valve and other critical components function correctly, giving you peace of mind on the road. Understanding and maintaining your EGR valve is key to keeping your vehicle in top shape. This small component plays a major role in reducing emissions and improving engine performance. Ignoring EGR valve issues can lead to bigger problems, like engine damage and failed emissions tests. If you notice symptoms like rough idling, a check engine light, or increased emissions, it's crucial to act fast. Whether through cleaning, diagnostics, or replacement, addressing EGR valve problems can save you money and headaches down the road. Keeping your car's EGR valve in good working order is good for both your vehicle and the environment. Stay proactive about maintenance and give your car the care it deserves. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.